Would you like to experience Venice from the comfort of your own couch? We created a brand new YouTube channel with full 4K 60 frames per second walking tours. If you want, there's even subtitles with full descriptions of the attractions. We use high-quality equipment, including a surround microphone, for the real feel of the environment. See how it feels. You'll experience famous Venetian attractions, including St. Mark's Square with its campanile and impressive rural gardens featuring walkways and benches where you can relax, the Rialto Bridge, offering amazing views of Venice, the Venetian Ghetto, the first Jewish ghetto in Europe from the 16th century, and other undiscovered pearls like Square di San Trovaso, where gondolas are being repaired, or Laboratorio Occupato Morion, a social gathering space for Venetians belonging to alternative culture. Don't skip separate 4K walking tours of the picturesque Burano Island, known for its colorful houses and lace products, and Murano, known for world-renowned glass factories. So sit back and enjoy our Venice walking tour. Click here and experience Venice now.